Hi there, my name's MJ and this is a Dr. Trust Thick yoga mat. It comes in this nice little bag, and taking it out, you can set it up really quite easily. So you just roll this mat out in a nice flat place. This is a great mat because of its extra thickness, especially if you have knee problems or just want a little more support or cushion underneath your joints and bones. It's also got great grip, so it really helps you in those positions where you might be kneeling down and wanting to find some nice balance for yourself, and you've got all this nice cushion and support underneath you, but it still maintains that nice firmness that you need so that you have even balance in any of your postures.
Fitness is a mental game, and regret is that inner demon we all share. You can think about what you should do. You can think about what you could do. And you can think about what you would have done. But your body won't go where your mind won't push it.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.